IR sets. Another TIE fighter to build yet too, but trying to figure out how to fit all that in this small area here. Just a little closer look at the conveyance train. Pretty much used most of the outside molding and body of the conveyance train. The middle part is right out of it. I just took it off of the wheel chassis and put it on a train chassis. And then this is just simply opens up. There's your battery pack. And then same thing, just the outer shell's all the same. Turn it off before I forget. And then underneath, I just worked. I don't have it on magnetic train set. I have it linked in with the Technic pieces. That's why I just flipped the whole thing. But there's the standard train motor that goes up into the IR sensor. IR sensor's right there, and then the battery pack is incorporated into the build.